Okay, this is Lab 5.2.3, configuring RIP v2 with VLSM and default route propagation. I've gone ahead and configured the topography you see here in front of you. I've set all the host names, interfaces, the default gateways, passwords, and VTY and console passwords prior to starting this recording. If you're curious on how to do those, please view some of my earlier recordings when I went through that. Okay, we're going to go to router 1 here. Go to our command line. Now we're going to do the router RIP. Set the version. Set the network addresses. Do 172.16.1.0. And this is going to be a 3.0. Now we're going to end this and save it. Now we're going to go to our router 3 here. Go to our command line. Now we're going to put in an IP route for this one. And we're going to go 209.165.201.2. We're going to do router RIP. And we're going to put default information originate. Alright, and I did not do router RIP on my second router, so I need to go back and do that. Alright, we want to go router RIP, version 2, set my network. Okay, we're going to end this and save it. Okay, we're going to go to router 3 here. Let's do our IP route. And it says my gateway of last resort is not set. So I definitely need to go back and set that here. Okay, I went back and corrected that error. And that is how to configure RIP. It's actually pretty easy to configure RIP. You just give it the network routing, the version, the IP route, and on this one, R3 will advertise this route to the other routers if this command is added to its RIP configurations, which is the default information originate. That way it'll actually propagate over to the other ones. So that's a new command I haven't used in the past. I hope you understood how to configure RIP v2 with VLSM and default route propagation.